So the first step here is to unscrew the back panel and take the panel off. But once all the screws have been removed from the back panel, we typically take a pry tool and we'll get under the panel so we can slowly and gently pry it off the back. Alright, there we go, panel off. You can see the inside here. You can see the SSD is installed right here, and the two RAM slots are here and here. On this one I'll be just installing 2 RAM sticks, so I'll grab 2 additional RAM sticks, remove the one currently inside, install the 2 new modules here and here. Now that they're both in, it's time to screw the panel back in. So you just pop the panel back on the same way we got it off. Just line it up along the edge and make sure it is fully seated back into the chassis. You want to press down on all sides to make sure it's fully in. And then you'll take the screws out and use a screwdriver to start screwing them back in.